Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am back with yet another theme video which is based on popular anime series Naruto. Before starting, make sure to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to never miss any of our videos. Swipe up from the home screen, we have steps and distance as simple text highlighting their purpose. Calorie has salt symbol and battery remains stock. Next we have notification as Snapchat icon. Treadmill exercise remains stock. Heart rate monitor has a physical heartbeat animation. More has Pain Baruto Uzumaki logo. Silent has a crowned leopard. Find My Device has curse mark of the scorpion icon. Screen has Uchiha Itachi clan logo. Factory Reset has a Naruto Yugs clan icon. About has Naruto written in Japanese. Under About we have different images from the series. Long press animation is the loading animation which looks neat. Watch faces are same as previous theme, no changes here. For installation, simply flash the firmware file and the resource file and you are good to go. Also note that this theme is based on Wuhan version. If you have Hankou version, then you will only get a single image in about section. Also, if you are planning to buy anything from Amazon, then make sure to use my referral link present in the description section below. That's been it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also do comment down below which theme you want next. With that said, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.